So hello friends, welcome to my channel Check Help Desk. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to hide your YouTube subscriber. So let's start. So if you new here, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest notification and you don't miss anything. So now let's start. First click on your YouTube. So after YouTube is open, so log in into your account, your channel account, and click on the three dot and select desktop version. Once you have selecting the desktop version, the interface will open in front of you like this. So now after that, click on your channel name, right hand side corner, click on your channel. After that, click on your channel. So after clicking on your channel, so click on customize channel. After clicking customize channel, so it takes some time, so be patient while the page is loading. So after clicking on that button, so you are now clicking on the video manager. Once the video manager load, so wait, here is my net is working very slow. So once it's open, friends, go to the bottom corner, the icon is shown in below classic mode. Then the option is only available in classic mode, so skip that process. So go to the legacy classic mode. After clicking the classic mode, so you can see the screen interface, and then go to the channel. After clicking the channel, then again zoom in and then go to the advanced, click on advanced. After clicking advanced, so scroll, so I can little bit of zoom here, so scroll down and find the subscriber count and then click do not show the number of the people subscriber to my channel. So click on the save, and yeah, it's successfully saved. So hope you will understand this video. So please subscribe my channel, hit like and comment. Thank you.